a nice Mustang over there, but they're parked, they're not gonna race. We meet my friend over at Lowe's off in Sherman. He's trying to build a fucking lightsaber out of PVC pipe and shit, so let's call it that low hanging branch. That's how tall I am, guys. But I'm meeting him over there, so I'm gonna run to Sherman. I don't know what I'm gonna see, what I'm gonna do. I really thought about just dumping it at that point and just leaving it in first and letting it roll off, but that probably would have blown the bike up. That was a good fucking hit. Still haven't figured out what the fuck that ticking noise is, and it's gonna irritate the shit out of me. A couple of things I'm gonna check on it. I'm gonna make sure it's all winter shit, so it's gonna have to live until then. Could be bottom end shit. Gotta have them look at that. It is at 35, almost 34 too. Pretty close. I'm at almost 6,000 miles without an oil change because I'm still waiting on the fucking parts to come in, but I'm gonna send it. Like, if I don't ride, I go crazy. If you have a motorcycle, you'll understand exactly what I mean by that. I look like a skinny white boy in the shadow, but I'm a bit thick. I'm gonna check the oil when I get there too. I feel like it could be a bit low on oil. It might be what the extra ticking is today. But it changes every fucking day how loud that tick is, so I don't know what it might be. It could be cam chain. I already said I don't know what it is once or twice and do that a suggestion, so I'm gonna just leave it to the professionals. Could be lifters, I don't know. Could just be a loud rocker box that the twin cams are cursed with. Today's a good day to ride though. Nothing but the wind on the arms, shirts flowing free in the back. Look like one of those guys, you know. Speeding like normal. Got y'all in my dome piece. We're fucking living. That truck is fucking living too. Holy shit. I want to see that. I want to get next to that. I want to see that fucking Suburban tank looking thing. Hit the gas. I want to get next to it. Hit the gas. Let's go. For the love of God, please hit the gas. And turn into a gas station. I mean, look at that shit. It's gone, but look at that shit. That looks like a fucking hooligan. Big buff guy on a little like 125, no shirt, no helmet, fucking snapback and glasses, running down the road. Hell yeah, dude. I've got a Detroit trip planned, so I'm gonna have to like hopefully get my entire camera edited down by then so I can actually have some record time. I do not know if that was a man or a lady. I do know that's a pig though. fucking love this bike so much. Like, the fact that I can just barely get on the throttle and I'm gone is just like so awesome to me. Just see, it's a fucking torque monster, alright? Like, it might not be the fastest, highest horsepower bike out there, but it's a fucking torque monster. 108 pounds at the wheel. She moves. Yeah, that light's red. I'm pretty sure that light's red. Yeah, that bitch was red. There goes the Honda. I just fucking red bombed. Oh no. Okay, there's just enough shadow on the light that I can maybe see it when it turns green. I don't know though. Ah ha ha! I can see it. Can barely see it, but I can see it enough to go. Honestly, Sherman's not that bad of a road. Like, there's some sketchy pieces of it, but I don't know. There's like worse roads than this in Muskegon. Hold on, let me see if I can tell when the light turns. I'm still gonna run it because like it's green and it'll be yellow at most. I don't mean I was gonna run it red, but yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go down Broadway one of these days. I think that's one of the sketchier roads. But if I don't stop, they're not gonna catch me, right? At least that's my like headcanon, is if I don't stop, they won't catch me and take my shit. Man, I can't wait to get the new bars on this. Like, I love my apes a lot, but there's something about the T-bars that are just appealing to me, right? Like, this bike is gonna be club style when it's done. It's gonna look baller. It's gonna run like a motherfucker more than normal because it'll have aerodynamics on the front instead of just me as a fucking parachute out the back end. I'll have music too, because I'm gonna get the fucking audio module for the or the audio insert for the Doug's fairing I'm gonna get. Let's see if I can see past that lady. Ah, we're good enough. If there was a lot less, I ran a stop sign, yeah, fucking ladies. Homeboy's over that way. Alright. I'm gonna put hard bags on this too, unless I decide to go with the piggybacks, because the piggybacks won't let me get bags. Actually, I might not be able to do piggybacks anyway because I have the fucking Thunderheader, which is a long exhaust, and they say that it only works with short exhausts. Ooh, they have AC fucking pumping in there. I can feel it when I go by. Holy shit. see Buddy's vehicle with the Ubu in it. Alright, I'm gonna check the oil really quick. And I'll finish talking to y'all. But in Detroit, I don't really have a big plan. I just want to, like, get some pictures. Say I've been to Detroit. It is in my home state, so I might as well fucking go, right? Yeah. I have a buddy out there. His name is David. He knows Mac and I. Pretty cool guy. Kind of scares us a little bit. He's very real. Like, how the people are like, oh yeah, I do this and this, but he actually does it, so. Look at all that. Okay, we're still full on oil, so we're good. Look at all this fucking, yeah, coming out. They clean you, baby girl. Yeah, you're dirty. I love you. Yeah, you're getting a good cleaning here eventually. Anyway, that was today's, what was the fucking camera? There it is. That was today's video. I might not even edit it, except to cut out some of the parts of me just like lollygagging. Have a good one, guys.